Yes, it's a boy Richboi again. It's my first time trading the CAD news. So tomorrow, go and buy the USD CAD, go and sell the CAD CPI. Thank you.
It's your boy Richboi. Hello, Rich.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm quite good, and you?
I'm okay. Thank you so much. What's about, Kaya?
It's been long. It's been long.
You are shining, and we see this this Gilmalo music
Thank
t-shirt.
you to the Gilmayo music.
It looks good on you.
Yes.
And
thank you.
You look so good, man. And there are muscles on your arms.
Wow.
Hey.
Yes, no, thank you very much. And I'd say thank you to Gilmayo for the support.
Okay.
Yeah, for shooting me and for the content that we are making.
Okay.
So I'm very thankful. And thank you for the t-shirt once again. I love it.
Yeah,
Yes, I love it so much. So
that's great.
Thank you guys.
That's great.
Yes, thank you. God bless you.
All right, so Rich, more social media, and we noticed that Maabane, you made some profits, and you did make some profits today. Tell us about that. We understand that yesterday and today was a very crazy, if I may say, very complicated market. Tell us about that. How are you able to do this?
I realize this is important.
Mm-hmm.
All the way from Gaborone to Palape, so that you can ask me about this.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's one of those days. It's our Christmas in the market. It's a Christmas day for us. Normally for those who know what they are doing. Like I said, market is not gambling. We analyze. We have to have knowledge in the market. So Richboi has so much knowledge when it comes to Forex. I'm quite good. I'm very good. So yesterday was PPI. Today was CPI. Tomorrow we have what we call initial drop claims.
Okay.
Yeah. So yesterday I analyzed and the PPI, which made a lot of money. Yeah, made a lot of money.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, we also saw that.
Yes. Even today, I made a lot of money.
Okay.
40K.
Wow.
In 1 minute.
Wow.
I was able to make 40K. I think you have seen. In my videos, I even show you the results.
Yes.
So I made 40K in just
impressive.
1 minute. I could have made more than that. It's just that when it comes to Forex, there's what we call money management or the risk management. I didn't want to risk much. If I could have risked much, I could have done more than 100K. So I didn't want to risk much. So yesterday, I made a lot of money. I analyzed the market. In Forex, there's what we call the fundamental analysis.
Okay.
Whereby we look much into the current affairs. Yes. Normally we were trading the USD, the USD pairs. We are trading gold. Myself, I'm a gold slayer. I can even do a tattoo.
You own the mine.
I own the mine, I own the mine. Digital mine.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
I have a digital mine.
So Rich, I want to understand this. I've noticed that before you trade, you usually produce signals to your students and your friends and mostly your followers.
Yes.
And it has happened that a lot of your predictions are always right.
Yes.
How are you able to make such precise predictions like that?
And like I said,
prophet.
yeah, I'm the market prophet. Yes, I would say that. They call me the market prophet.
Okay.
But I'm not a prophet. I put much work. I don't sleep. I don't sleep. Yes, I don't sleep. I do my homework.
Okay.
Before I can give those signals.
Yes.
Behind the scenes, I don't sleep. I don't sleep at all. So I go straight into the market and analyze. There's a lot of work for you to come with such a prediction. I'd say prediction, but I'm not predicting because I know what I'm doing. Yes. So normally
you can perceive.
I can even give you a signal 4 weeks before that happens because I'm always in the market.
Okay.
Yeah, I would say I'm focused only in Forex right now. So I know everything that is happening. I know all the movements. I know everything. Since last year up to now, I've been very consistent when it comes to gold. I've never lost a gold trade up to now.
Wow.
More especially the news. I was very consistent. So it's not in my blood. It's not in my mind. It's not in my heart. So whatever that I'm doing is working for me. The strategies that I'm using are working for me. I have my own strategies.
Okay.
There's a way how I analyze the market. So it's working for me. So January, there was PPI, there was CPI. There's another one we called the NFP. Initial, the initial job claims. I won all the signals in January. February, I won all of them. March, I won all of them. April, I won all of them. It's May.
Okay.
I have won almost 3 of them. Tomorrow, I'm winning initial job claims. I'm making money tomorrow.
Wow.
Watch the space.
Wow.
Yeah, you can come and
it's
watch
the confidence.
me.
It's the confidence for
tomorrow
me.
I'm making money.
It's the
Then I'll
confidence
wait for the NFP, non-farm payroll.
Yeah.
I'm making money. So I'm very, even right now, the NFP, I already know the direction.
Wow. So, Rich, you are a full-time Forex trader.
Yes.
All right. So that, I think that's what gives you time, because I understand the way you've been explaining it. It takes a lot of reading, a lot of studying of the market, a lot of observations and all that. Something that most people struggle to do. I think we like to take shortcuts in life. Yes. And I understand that Forex does not need shortcuts. So it's your thorough study and research that helps you to give these precise predictions.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
No, thank you so much for your time, Rich.
Thank you very
we really
much.
Appreciate it. Please enjoy your beautiful meal.
Yes.
And sorry for the interruption.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Welcome.